Denver. Today I'm starting Allegro platform where how we can handle listing a product, how we can list a product in Allegro. We have seen a lot of courses, but they all are in Polish language, not in English, Urdu, any other language. So I have I am decided I have decided to make a lecture for this Allegro platform, how we can listing a product on Allegro. This is Amazon where I have to pick a products according to my clients, and these products I I will start to list at this Allegro platform. How we can list a product at Allegro? Let's see and also do practice with it. We have to go at assortment for a product listing. Here we can see list and offer. We have to open this. After opening, we will see this page. Here we can add a GTN, EN, IBN number if we have listed a product recently. But I want to list a product new, not already listed. I will copy this one title and put in this search box. Then I will search. After that, we will found there will be no product like this title. Your product is not in the Allegro catalog. Then I will continue without selecting products. Here we will see up selects a suggest category. This is most important in Allegro that according to title we have to some suggestion choose a category according to products. Here we'll see sports travel, luggage, suitcase. Here also a product like this. Then I will select. When we'll select this product, it's automatically move another. List me handled by this. We will handle myself, not Allegro handle this store. I will manage and handle this my own. Then I will go with complete the form. Here we will see a form where we have to list it. We have to list it a product. You can see a title, but here are 100 character. We have to limit it only 75 character. Then how will I will complete only 75 character for this 75 character. Then I will put this color, but I want to add this one. But 83 character, how will do? I will do 40 wheels suitcase. Uh, yes. Reference number. What we will do at reference number? We will add 4 luggage suitcase. 4 luggage suitcase with black color. Here we will mention these. Then I will choose. I have already chosen this category. Then I will add EN number. This is most important in while listing a product in Allegro from Amazon to Allegro. How we will see, but in Amazon we will see a SN number, not ASIN, SN number, not EN, not EAN number, but we will change this SN number to a EN number. In Chrome we will see a lot of conversion software available, but I am using this. I will put here